have a Shindaiwa HT231 Hedger that we don't use very often. When I went to grab it out of the closet, it was sitting in a pool of 2-cycle oil. I quickly noticed that the fuel tank was wet with gas and oil. After doing some tests, I found that the tank itself was not leaking, but the rubber grommet with the fuel lines running through it was. Instead of buying just the grommet, I ordered the entire fuel tank kit. I found the best price on ShindaiwaPartsOnline.com. I put HT space 231 in the search field, and the fuel tank kit came up right away. Unfortunately, it took a while for them to ship it. I ordered it on the 21st, and it didn't ship until the 29th. Good thing I wasn't in a rush for this part. The kit came with a new heat shield, new tank, and the grommet with the fuel lines already installed, and also instructions and a sticker for the gas tank. The instructions recommend that you loosen the bolts holding the handle so it can be swung out of the way to make it easier to remove the tank. I skipped this step. The heat shield goes on first, then a metal washer, then the blue washer, then the tank, another blue washer, then the shoulder bolt. I recommend you always use some kind of Loctite on bolts on these small engines because they vibrate so much. The black fuel line goes to the carb fitting closest to the primer bulb. The clear line goes to the fitting closest to the bottom of the Hedger. I also ordered a new air filter, which, by the looks of it, will probably last about 6 months. It's just a sponge. Good luck, guys.